Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Fine Boom effect for our video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to prepare CapCut application, or actually you can prepare another video editor app, but here I'm using CapCut, so I'm going to use the CapCut to add Vine Boom effect to my video. And then you're going to get the Vine Boom effect from the internet. You can get it from social media or you can get it from YouTube as well. And I recommend you to go to the TikTok and then search for the Vine Boom effect. You just need to type in Vine Boom effect, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and I'm going to download this effect. We can click on this arrow and then select save video. Okay, now the video has been saved to my device, and I'm going to go to my CapCut and I'm going to create new project on my CapCut. Wait, it's still loading. I'm going to add my video to the CapCut project. Okay, we can click on new project and you can choose the video you want to add the Vine Boom effect to. Okay, just click on new project. And for example, I'm just going to use CapCut library. I mean the video in CapCut library. I'm going to add, for example, this video, and I'm going to add the Vine Boom effect to this video. Okay, we can go to the audio and then select sounds, and we're going to extract the audio from the video we have downloaded from TikTok. We can select this option and then select extract audio from video. Okay, then this is the Vine Boom effect we have just downloaded from TikTok, and I'm going to extract it. Okay, now the video has been extracted and I'm going to add it to my video. Okay, and this is the result. Wait, I'm going to volume up my sound. Okay, and you can cut the unwanted part. You just need to click on split and click on delete, or you can also drag the audio like this to cut the unwanted part that you do not use for your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Vine Boom effect for our video using TikTok and CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video guys.